Hello everyone, welcome to GK Babaji YouTube channel. Friends, you must have read in news that the Supreme Court has given a go-ahead for the construction of India's new parliament building. Thus, this implies that sooner or later India will have a new parliament building. In this video, we have covered important GK and current affairs questions related to the new parliament building. So let's get started. Question 1. India's new parliament building is being constructed under which project? Here are the options. The correct answer is Central Vista Redevelopment Project. Central Vista Redevelopment Project includes revamping Rajpath, making a new office and residence for Indian Prime Minister, construction of a new parliament, and combining all ministerial buildings in a single central secretariat. Question number 2. Why is the new parliament building being constructed? Here are the options. The correct answer is C, that is both A and B. So the reasons why the new parliament building is being constructed is number 1, on account of stability concerns with older structure of the existing building, and the reason number 2 is inadequacy of space in the existing building to house members and their staff. These are the reasons why a need for new parliament building is being felt and is being executed. Question 3. How much will be the built up area for the new parliament building? Here are the options. The correct answer is 64,500 square feet. The built up area for the new parliament building will be 64,500 square feet. Next question. The new parliament building is likely to have a dash shape. Here are the options: square, rectangular, pentagonal, triangular. The correct answer is triangular. The new parliament building is likely to have a triangular shape. Question 5. In the new parliament building, how much seating capacity will the Lok Sabha chamber have? Here are the options. The correct answer is 888 seats. The seating capacity of the Lok Sabha chamber in new parliament building will be 888 seats. Question 6. In the new parliament building, how much seating capacity will the Rajya Sabha chamber have? These are the options. The correct answer is 384 seats. Question 7. The new parliament building will have how many floors? Here are the options. The correct answer is 4 floors. Question 8. Estimated cost for the construction of new parliament building is? The correct answer is 971 crore. Rupees 971 crore. Question 9. Construction of new parliament building started on which date? Here are the options. The correct answer is 10th December 2020. Next question. The construction of new parliament building is planned to be completed in? Here are the options. The correct answer is June 2022. Question 11. The new parliament building will have a life of more than? Here are the options. The correct answer is 150 years. The new parliament building will have a lifespan of more than 150 years. Question 12. Name the architect who is in charge of the redesign of Central Vista. Here are the options. The correct answer is Bimal Patel. Bimal Patel is the head of the HCP Design, Planning and Management Private Limited, which is an architecture, planning and project management firm. Question 13. Which of the following specifications about the new parliament building are correct? Here are the options: A, B, C, D. The correct answer is all of the above. That is, it will be a earthquake safe structure. Its built up area is about 17,000 square feet more than the existing building, and it will incorporate architectural styles from different parts of India. All these options are correct. Question 14. The existing Parliament building was built under British Empire in which year? The correct answer is year 1927. Name the architect who designed the existing Parliament building. Here are the options. The correct answer is C, both A and B, that is Edwin Lutyens and Herbert Baker. Here is an image of Edwin Lutyens and the second image is of Herbert Baker. Question 16. The opening ceremony of the existing Parliament building, which then housed the Imperial Legislative Council, was performed on 18 January 1927 by. These are the options. The correct answer is Lord Irwin, who was the Viceroy of India at that time. Question 17. The existing Parliament building draws inspiration from Chaucer Yogini Temple, Mitauli, which is located in. Here are the options. The correct answer is Morena district of Madhya Pradesh. The Chaucer Yogini Temple, Mitauli, also known as Ekatarso Mahadev Temple, is an 11th century temple in Morena district in the Indian state of Madhya Pradesh. Question 18. This will be the last question. The feature of parliamentary form of government in India has been borrowed from the constitution of which country? Here are the options. The correct answer is Britain. The feature of parliamentary form of government in India has been borrowed from Constitution of Britain. So that's it, friends. If you found this video useful, please hit the like button. You may even share it with your friends who are preparing for competitive exams. Please subscribe to our channel GK Babaji. Thank you. Have a good day.